Dude, I really think we could win this thing.
Right?
This is kind of money, man.
I'm really excited about this.
Whoa.
Dude, we're in trouble. These are insane.
No, this is insane. We made an electric motor with nothing but our hands and our minds. That's awesome.
They got lasers, okay? That one got like smoke. This got like lasers and smoke. Like how?
That is pretty cool.
Judging will begin in 5 minutes.
Well, see you tomorrow. This is not good for us.
Wait a minute, I have an idea. Here, hold that. Okay, hang on.
Agent Thomas.
Agent Thomas, it's Peter. Parker. Spider-Man. Spider-Man?
Yeah, I know.
Look, I'm at my school science fair. I desperately need the greatest electric motor of all time. Can you please just give me access to 2025?
Kid, 2025 is not a plaything.
No, I know that. I know that. This is really important. Okay, fine. I'll do a swing by at your son's birthday party.
Fine. Not one scratch, though.
Thank you. Hey, can you stall for me?
Stall?
Just stall, Ned.
I only have like 3 minutes of small talk, max. Oh, hurry, Peter.
Hope this works. Yes! Awesome.
Good job, young man.
You worked on this by yourself. Oh, yes. We're proud of you. Afternoon, Mr. Leeds. Tell us about your project.
Peter and I worked really hard on it. It's our brain baby. We began in 1820 when physicists...
Hey, Ned. Why don't we show them our example?
Yes! So our first model is our own self-built motor.
Terrific.
With 10 kilowatts of power.
The electric motor in this car is similar to our motor, except it has a steering wheel and these really cool touchscreen screens.
And there's also seat heaters.
Yes, Ned.
Huh. What's the range on this thing?
Far
Wide.
and wide. It's far and wide.
Yeah.
Okay, gentlemen. Thank you. Very compelling.
Second place? We had an electric sports car.
Dude, first place was a potato arc reactor.
Yeah, true.
We go to a really smart school.